Hey, miss. Thank you so much for my slushy cup.
No worries.
I told all my friends you're the best.
Thank you. Make sure to tell them to like, watch, and subscribe so they get a cup just like you.
I already did.
Cool.
Excuse me, miss. You forgot to give me a slushy cup.
No, I didn't forget.
So where's my cup?
You haven't earned one yet.
Hey, what do I need to do to earn one?
Like this video and subscribe, then watch all my videos.
Done.
Here's your cup.
How did my mom get a free slushy cup?
She watched all my videos every day.
But I liked your video.
Yeah, you did, but you didn't subscribe.
Oh, I forgot to do that.
That is why your mom got one?
Why did I do everything and didn't get a cup?
Because you didn't do everything.
Wait, what?
Yeah. You still need to like, watch 6 times, and subscribe.
Oh, I will do all that.
Also, make sure you comment to speed it up.
Hey sir, I just received my free slushy cup. Thank you so much.
That was cause you liked and watched and subscribed to my channel.
I think I need another one, cause my brother keeps using it.
Just tell him to do those steps and I will send him one too.
Hey, sir. You never sent me a cup, so I came to collect it.
What's your name?
Henry.
I don't have a cup for Henry.
How can that be?
Are you sure you liked all my videos? Watched them at least 3 times and subscribed.
Not sure.
Before you travel all this way, make sure you're sure.
Give me my cup.
What cup?
My cup.
No cup?
Free slushy cup.
First like the video,
Give me my cup.
then watch 3 times.
Where's my cup?
And subscribe.
Wait, what? I gotta subscribe? I have done it now.
There's your cup.
Hey sir, is that for me?
Is what for you?
The slushy cup in your hand.
Oh no, I am delivering this to the winner.
How can I win?
Just like the video and watch it as many times as you can then hit subscribe. And you two can be a winner.
Done.
And our winner is Damien. Come and collect your cup.
My name is Ricky.
Oh no. This one's for Damien.
Is there one for me?
No, cause you never liked, watched 3 times, or subscribed.
Can I do that now?
Yes, do it straight away.
Hey sir, I think my neighbor took my delivery codes. I'm still waiting for my cup.
Let me check. No, that was for your neighbor.
So where's mine?
Yours is still in the factory.
How long do I need to wait?
How long does it take you to like, watch, and subscribe? That's how long it will take.
If I give you a blue rose, will you give me a slushy cup?
No.
If I give you a red rose, will you give me a slushy cup?
No.
If I give you a white rose, will you give me a slushy cup?
No.
If I give you a yellow rose, will you give me a slushy cup?
No. The only way to get one is to like, watch, and subscribe.
Why is it taking so long to get a slushy cup?
If you do all the steps, it's very quick.
What are the steps?
Like this video and share it. Watch the rest of my videos and hit subscribe.
That's a lot of steps.
Do you want a free slushy cup or not?
Why are all my friends receiving slushy cups?
They all like my videos.
I did too.
Yes, but they all watched more than 4 times.
I also did that.
Yes, but they all subscribed.
Oh, I didn't do that.
And that is why they all got slushy cups and you didn't.
When will I get my slushy cup?
As soon as you watched 6 times, liked, and subscribed.
Can you put it in priority post so I get it quicker?
Yep, as long as you leave a comment and share.